I didn't see you there. I'm Shri, Product Manager, Realme Global, and today I have a very cool product to launch. So let's start the show. Today we are here to launch an all-new cool product, the Realme GT Neo 3T. And what better place to launch it than the place that is the epitome of speed, power and design, Dubai. Do you love speed? Do you love the smell of burnt tires, the rumbling of a powerful engine? Oh, I love them. In fact, the Realme GT Neo 3T, this beautiful smartphone, the design of this has been inspired by motorsport, and we're calling it the racing flag design. It stands for the purity of speed and racing, and it represents our adventurous and bold spirit to reach out to people seeking an adventurous lifestyle and seeking forward-thinking design that can match to their lifestyle. The Realme GT Neo 3T comes in 3 scintillating colors: the drifting white, the dash yellow and shade black. Now we are consistently investing in R&D and incorporating market-specific insights so that we can create compelling products that meet our user demands across the globe. The Realme GT Neo 3T inherits the Realme GT Neo 3's 80-watt super dart charge, which means that this smartphone can charge up to 50% in just 12 minutes. That's insane, right? That makes the Realme GT Neo 3T the fastest charging performance flagship in the segment. Now, as a brand, we are always striving towards bringing the best of technology, but most importantly, also making sure that it's very comfortable in the hand, which is why we've added a whopping 5000 mAh battery inside to keep you powered all day long while keeping a very slim form factor. On the display front, the Realme GT Neo 3T comes with a 120Hz E4 AMOLED display that is esports level and comes with a high touch sampling rate of 360Hz for ultimate gaming responsiveness. It also comes with 1300 nits of peak brightness, which means that if you're in harsh sunlight like me, you'll still get very good visuals. The display is also DCI-P3 color gamut, which means that it has a 10-bit display compared to sRGB's 8-bit display, giving you even more colors. And oh, it comes with Gorilla Glass 5 protection and HDR10+, which means that you get the best of both worlds. The flagship performance continues with the lightning fast and stable Qualcomm Snapdragon 870. It's a total package with premium intelligence, truly global 5G, boosted performance and geared up gaming. With a 7nm fabrication process, the Snapdragon 870 truly delivers elite performance with speed and efficiency. With the best reputation in the industry for being the most stable peak performance chipset, the Realme GT Neo 3T will get you in pole position every single time. To help the Realme GT Neo 3T run fast but stay cool, we've also implemented our super large stainless steel vapor cooling, which covers a core area of 4129mm square while totally covering 26% more area for cooling. We've also added 3 lenses at the back, which helps you capture every moment of your life crystal clear. So the primary camera at the back is a 64 megapixel sensor, and on the front we have a 16 megapixel front camera. The pictures look stunning, right? Oh, and did you notice the carbon fiber finish at the back? It simply reinforces the racing flag design. Very cool, isn't it?
One double espresso. Make it strong. Hey! You forgot something. Let's race for it.
Oh, I think it's time for the price drop. Let's see what Madhav has to say.
Hello everyone, this is Madhav. I believe you are very excited about our new Realme GT Neo 3T. Over the past 4 years, we have continued to pursue breakthroughs in technology and design innovation. While we dare to refresh the charging speed, we also hope to democratize the ultimate fast charging technology to users through our new offering. In terms of design innovation, we have been leading the trend culture through cutting-edge designs and enhancing our product designs with every launch. Following the same, the Realme GT Neo 3T adopts the racing flag designs inspired by the checkered flag, representing speed, passion, victory and glory. These brilliant designs came from our Realme Design Studio as the youngest and the newest representative of the industry. Realme Design Studio continues to break the rules and explore unprecedented forms of expressions, inspiring people with a new perception of the power of designs. I'm proud to say that our industry-first mobile design studio in India has officially been set up. In the future, you will see many more trend-setting products, designs coming from our Realme Design Studio in India. Our aspiration at Realme has always been to provide leap-forward performance and trend-setting designs for everyone around the world. I am elated to share that we are seeing immense growth and expansion in the premium smartphone segment. We saw a tremendous sale of 5 million units for the GT series globally and registered a year-on-year growth of 550% in the premium segment in Q1 2022. In India, the Realme GT Master Edition has sold more than 100,000 units in Diwali 2021, making it the online smartphone sales king above 20,000 rupees. We have seen breakthrough in the premium flagship series and also achieved sustained growth in the Indian market. Yes, that's what we have achieved for the second time with the highest year-on-year growth of 24% in Q2 2022 as per IDC. Daring to go beyond ourselves, we aim to remain the number 2 smartphone brand in India in 2022. We believe that a good product can inject vitality into the market. As a product with a futuristic technology and designs, the Realme GT Neo 3T will be your best choice in the mid-price range. Now it's time to announce the price. How should we price this amazing product? The Realme GT Neo 3T sports 80-watt Super Dart charge, Snapdragon 870 5G processor, industry-leading display with 120Hz E4 AMOLED display, donning the vibrant colors of dash yellow, drifting white and shade black. The Realme GT Neo 3T will be available in 3 variants with 6GB, 128GB, priced at Rs 29,999. 8GB plus 128GB, priced at Rs 31,999. 8GB 256GB would be priced at Rs 33,999. The first sale starts on 23rd of September, 12 noon onwards, across realme.com, flipkart.com and the stores near you. Adding one more surprise, you can also avail offers worth Rs 7,000 for the Realme GT Neo 3T on its first sale. More exciting news is that during the festive season, we have an offer worth rupees more than 700 crores of discount up to 15,000 rupees on Realme products. Hope every one of you can enjoy Realme products at a better price. And hope you like a brand new Realme GT Neo 3T today. See you soon and have a nice day.
One double espresso. Make it strong. Hey! You forgot something. Let's race for it.
So that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you loved all the product offerings. Now it's time for me to say goodbye.